Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this Candy Blossom Shard and Grey Garden game of Roblox in new Easter update. Okay, this is how the Candy Blossom Shard looks like. And I'm going to show you guys how you can get this item. If you want to unlock this item, you need to feed the angry plant. As you can see here, unlock Candy Blossom Shard by feeding the angry plant. And basically, in this update, this Candy Blossom Shard doesn't have like specific function. I mean, it doesn't look like the other shard in Grey Garden, but you will need this Candy Blossom Shard if you want to get the Candy Blossom seed. Okay, let me open this menu. Okay. Oh, sorry. I clicked the wrong menu. I'm going to view crafting menu. Okay, here you need one Candy Blossom shard and also 50 golden eggs to craft the Candy Blossom seed. And you can acquire this Candy Blossom shard for every 25 fruit submissions to the angry plant. So you just need to keep feeding the angry plant until 25 submissions so you can claim the Candy Blossom shard. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Candy Blossom shard in Grey Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.